What's up, my Defender peeps? Welcome back to another edition of me screwing up Pokemon names and having fun in the process. Mail edition. So, a little while back, I won a giveaway, but there was a little confusion, some mess up in not entering some names. So he reached out and asked if he can redo the giveaway, which of course I was a sport and let him redo the giveaway. Of course I didn't win after the fact, but that's all good. He actually still sent me something in the mail for doing that. So we'll go ahead and jump right into that. And also going to be opening up a couple more Evolutions packs. Let's see if I can get the reverse Holo Charizard again. Or not again, but this time. To say again, that would have to pull the Holo Rare. But also a little thing here I got from my Nintendo Switch. Ooh, look at this little box. What shall it be, or what is it? Well, let me show you. Wait, hold on. I gotta bring it down just a little so I can show you. You just press this little button right here. Bam! Oh, what is that? It holds all your games. That is clean. And yes, I do have Pokemon Sword, and it is in the game, the Nintendo Switch right now. This is my wife's. She loves it. She loves Super Mario Brothers. But this thing is sick looking. Pikachu. That is so awesome. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the mail and those Evolutions packs and see what I get here. All right, so yeah, you hear it. I got my clicky. Let's go ahead and see what I got from. I didn't even announce it. It was I forgot their name. I'll post it up on the screen here where I got it from. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what he sent us. Okay. All right. Looks like some packs in there, but be very careful. I hate doing that. Don't want to. Oh, there we go. Don't want to cut any of the cards. Oh, sweet. Nice. Oh. Okay. So I got a couple of packs of the two-packers of Darkness Ablaze and Rebel Clash. Awesome. Thanks, my dude. Thanks for looking out. And I got snow. Oh wait, there's a couple cards in there. Hold on. Let me pull these out and see what I got. All right. So got a Snorlax GX Black Star promo. Oh, nice. That is sick. Snorlax Black Star promo from Evolutions Holo. That is clean. Do not have that one. Yeah, and also another Black Star promo, Gyarados GX. Sweet. Thanks, bro. And like I said, he didn't have to send me anything, but I appreciate it. Let me sleeve these ones up, put them to the side over here. I really dig the Snorlax Evolutions promo. I haven't seen any, well, in my case, I haven't seen any promos from Evolutions, so that's pretty cool. Nice. Okay, there we go. Alright, so since I'm opening these packs, I'm gonna open up these too. So let's get these all out. Fast forward. Okay, now I'm back. So, got two Evolutions, two Darkness Ablaze, and two Rebel Clash. Let me guess what I'm going to be opening up first. Yep, you guessed it. Rebel Clash. So I'll just keep those stands over there. Let's jump into this and see what I can get. Wish me luck, hit that like button. Oh, that's hard to open. You know what that means. Oh, that's really hard to open. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got our Leaf Energy, Palpitoad, Scoop Up Net, Shatat, Cherubish, Pidove, Helioptile, a Voltorb, Sandygas, a Reverse Hollow Galarian Farfetch, and a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Nothing there, but I will sleeve up the hollows, even so common or uncommon. There we go. You know, I always take a lot of time sorting these out later. Might as well just do it now. There we go. Just for my benefit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got a Fighting, Skunk Tank, Morpeko, Capacious Bucket, a Litwick, Galarian Corsola, a Binacle, Scyther, a Vullaby, Reverse Hollow Honedge. Oh, nice. A Hollow Gyarados. That's clean looking. I know I don't have that card. So that's a new addition to the set or my collection. Let's put him in front of the promo. Sleeve up this one. There we go. And all. Oh, what is that? Okay. All right. Now, should I do evolution? Yeah, let's just do evolutions. I pulled Charizard out of them already, so let's put the Darkness Ablaze and try to hope to pull that Charizard VMAX now. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we got Poliwhirl, Full Heal, Porygon, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp. Can we get the reverse? No, we got the reverse Beedrill, and then the Dugtrio. Alright. Not bad, not bad. I don't think I got the reverse, so that's another new addition to my collection. I think I'm just missing like a few cards of evolutions, plus all the secret rares. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so got a Full Heal, Machoke, Potion, Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite. Okay, a Voltorb. Oh, Reverse Hollow Sandshrew. And, oh, nice. This is turning out to be a Gyarados video. Another Hollow Gyarados from Evolutions, though. That is clean. Alright. Let's put him in front of the other Gyarados. 3 Gyarados today so far. Let's heat things up and let's pull this Charizard VMAX now. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got a Fighting, Dugtrio, Rare Fossil, Simisage, a Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Carablast, Galarian Duramaka, Larvitar, Reverse Hollow Rookie D, and a Galarian Darmanitan. Alright, no Charizard there. Sleeve these suckers up. Forgot to sleeve the Sandshrew. Try not to make this a very long video, but yeah, always turns out that way. There we go. Oh, now I'm messing up everything. Okay. I hate to say it, but last pack magic? Last patch? Last patch. Okay, come on. Just give me something. Come on. don't know. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we got a Psychic, Spike Muth, Bird Keeper, Stunny, Klink, another Ducklet, Malip, Paras, Gothita, a reverse of a Glimwood Tangle. Yeah, never mind. Oh, and the Scavalier. So, nothing out of those packs, really. But thanks, I appreciate the gesture and all that. But let's go ahead and jump into the recap. Alright, so we got Gyarados coming full force in this video today. So we got our Snorlax GX, the Hollow Snorlax, which is awesome. I love that card. Our Gyarados GX, then our 2 Hollows, the Gyarados from Rebel Clash, and the sick Gyarados from Evolutions. Nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, thumbs up. Does it have a swirl? I can't tell. Nope. I kind of messed up what I was saying. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, comment down below what your favorite pull was or card that was given to me. And I will see you on the next one, peeps. Have a good one. Bye.